Good afternoon, Diane Nettling here from Imsyser Health. I've been asked by the agents to actually produce a short video just as a mere introduction to the Imsyser flagship range as available countrywide. In our range, the products are designed to work individually for somebody that needs either a probiotic, an immune support tablet, and or a cleanse. But if they're sold as a package, meaning all the products together, that's when you actually get the unique advantage of dealing with not just immunity, but immunity from a gut perspective, because we all know all immunity actually starts in the gut. So in the range of products we have a 7-day deep intestinal cleanse. So it is a detox product designed to be used over 7 days, twice a day, and really removes all that impacted waste, especially people battling with weight issues. Diabetes is related to the gut health. People battling with detox issues, and really need to move all that old stuff and the stuff that is impacted in the mucoidal lining, and actually to strip away the lining as well. Different herbs in here, so it's not just going to do a detox, meaning cleanse out the impacted waste. It's actually going to strip that old mucoidal plaque where it's all impacted, and that could be anything between 4 and 7 kilograms for some people. So that's the Imsyser Deep Intestinal Cleanse. We can label it a colon cleanse. It's one and the same thing, and lots of it's a 100% natural product. Lots of herbs doing different things in that, loosening up that waste, that impacted waste, neutralizing the toxic release as it comes out, and then different herbs to help move it out of the body with ease. You don't have to not work. It's something that you can do from home, at work, twice a day. That's a deep intestinal cleanse. Then we have the next product, which is also a gut product, but it indirectly supports your immunity. It's a probiotic. Everybody knows the value out of a probiotic. However, Imsyser's probiotic is different in that it's got 12 strains of your probiotics. You've got prebiotics, which is the food for the probiotics, your probiotics, and then the natural release of the digestive enzymes in this living, live probiotic blend. So it's prebiotics, probiotics, digestive enzymes. There's a new terminology called symbiotics. It's just keeping this fermented liquid probiotic in a live state, and it actually lives long past the shelf life of 2 years. Incredible product. It doesn't need to be refrigerated. You just can, from the shelf, you can take it home, leave it in your handbag, use constantly. Fantastic for IBS, all your bowel and gut related issues. And then, suggested as a daily usage for the whole family. There's no age restriction. This from your baby that's newborn can actually be using the product. Then you would just take a small amount in a little dropper. So incredible product for immediate changes in your energy levels, immunity levels. And finally, we have the Imsyser immune support tablets. This is the product that's been in the shelves longest than all the products, but pretty much we've been in the market space as the Imsyser Health product range since 2009. The Imsyser Health products, however, was developed as far back as 2004. If you're looking for an all-in-one immune support, this is your product. You've got all your essential vitamins, all your essential minerals, all your essential amino acids, and a source of omega-3, 6, and 9 in a whole food source. So everything you need, and then our big claim to fame, super antioxidants, doing that natural plant thing, getting rid of all the toxicity at cellular level, and that's where the uniqueness of the product lies, is giving you all the essential nutritional, definitely matches all your RDA needs, but at the same time doing that cellular detox. So that's where it helps to recreate the internal balance. Affordable product for all ages. Obviously, when the kids are younger, they can't swallow a tablet, then you could take half a tablet, quarter of a tablet, crush it in, put it in the yogurt, the honey, in any sweet, in their cereals and stuff like that. But all ages, even to the really, really old, you can break the tablet in half and take like that. Immune support for everybody's natural immunity needs, from autoimmune through to immune boosting. It's going to do both for you, all in one, all your essential nutrition. I hope that it helps you understand. Each product has got a unique identity, can be used on its own, but you really get the full support when you've cleaned the gut and then made sure the gut is actually functionally optimally with a really good probiotic. It's not just a 3-4 day usage of the probiotic. This is something you can and should use every day, and then you follow through with your immune support tablets and you are all set to go. COVID, no COVID, you're going to be feeling like $1 million within a month. I can guarantee that. Hope that makes you understand the full product range, quite simply put. Thank you. Bye-bye.